Hey guys, back in October there was a great multitasking app switcher concept for iOS. Since then, the designer has worked with many devs to bring this concept to life as a jailbreak tweak within Cydia. It is available today, known as Auxo, for $1.99 via the Big Boss repo. Now, Auxo has a completely new look in mind for the app switcher. Instead of the application icons, Auxo now shows you an application preview, which is overlaid by the application icon on top of that. Now, it will give you a screenshot of your most recent activity within the application, and it will update as you go through and move about within the different applications. To delete one, easily swipe down of the application, and you can use multiple fingers to delete multiple apps within your switcher. Over to the left, this is the iPod controls. Now this will take over the iOS 6 controls, and as you can see over to the left, this is where your iTunes album artwork will be. In the middle, this will be the song title, and if you go ahead and swipe up, you do have your volume control, so you can slide them all the way down or all the way up, and below that, this is your play/pause, your previous, and your next. Now all the way to the left, this is where Apple's volume bar is usually placed. Instead, we have some toggles which include the orientation lock, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 3G, your mute switch, airplane mode, and then your cellular data. Now you can easily select on these and they will be turned on or /off. Down below that, this is your brightness where you can easily slide that up and down to set to your standards. Now, if you go ahead and swipe or click on the different toggles, you'll see that they will get a slash through them, which will invoke them on/off, such as your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, your 3G. But what's really great with this concept is if you actually select and hold one of the toggles, it will take you to the settings panel of that. So in this case, I did select my Wi-Fi, and as you can see, it will take you directly to the preference panel of the toggle that you did hold down. Now, Auxo is very smart for managing your background applications because it will allow you to close out of every single application within your app switcher by just holding down one of the apps and then selecting yes. From the preference panel of Auxo, you will be able to see the user guide, the configuration, and the creators. If you go ahead and select the configuration, this is where you'll be able to rearrange the toggles in the order that you want them to appear within the Auxo app switcher. So you can rearrange these to your liking if you would wish by just holding down the right hand side and moving them up or down to the order that you would wish them to be. And then if you head over to your Auxo's app switcher, you see that the top 4 applications, if you want them to be the most ones that you use, have those as the top 4, and then the bottom 4 are the ones right underneath it. So Auxo feels like a completely and different experience that blows every other app switcher tweak to date right now out of the water. It combines a great look with great functionality, and this is how Apple should have incorporated its app switcher. Now this is available for iOS 6 and iOS 5 on your jailbroken device. If you guys do like these videos, don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe.